Hi, I'm Ivy from Telycam. We are really excited to see Zoom Rooms officially support native NDI in and out. This update makes the AV setup for Zoom Rooms so much easier, and it's a big win for all the NDI users out there. In this video, we will test the Zoom Rooms custom AV with multiple Telycam PTZ cameras. First of all, Zoom Rooms is not the same as a regular Zoom meeting account. It's a dedicated application designed for physical meeting rooms, and it requires a separate annual license to activate it. First of all, log into your Zoom account. Head over to Admin, then Room Management, and click into Zoom Rooms. Here you can add a new room and give it a name. Once the room is created, go into its room settings. Under the Basic tab, let's set a password for this Zoom room. You will need the password later for any on-device settings, including preset setup. And scroll down to Devices. Here I'm going to check the option for multi-camera mode. Once this is enabled, Zoom Rooms will let me select up to 4 camera feeds in the same meeting. Further down to Custom AV and enable NDI In and Out. You can set the resolution up to 1080p and 60 frames per second. But for this test, I will leave it at 720p. Just a quick reminder, you can also adjust these settings anytime in your control panel under Advanced Settings. Now, when we start a meeting in these Zoom Rooms, it will automatically discover all NDI sources on the local network, including NDI HX3 and NDI high bandwidth. As you can see, the Explorer is sending out full NDI stream, and the other Vision series is sending the HX3 streams to the same meeting. They will all show up directly inside your meeting interface. For each NDI stream, you can assign up to 3 presets. And if you want those presets to stay the same for every meeting, just save them as the default position. Now imagine you're running a hybrid event with multiple cameras on site. You can bring all those feeds into vMix or OBS, mix them however you like, add graphics, lower thirds, or your client's branding, and then send out the final program out as an NDI source to Zoom Rooms. And just like that, your production quality jumps instantly, and the online audience gets a much more polished and professional experience. As for the NDI outputs, click View on your control panel, and you can set up to 12 NDI streams. Either it's the individual NDI video feed or the gallery view. All of these NDI outputs can be put directly into your local production setup, whether you're using OBS, vMix, TriCaster, Telestream, or any other switcher. You can also feed them into an NDI decoder and display the video on the TV or LED screen. Zoom Rooms custom AV solution really opens up new possibilities for hybrid events. And pair it up with Telycam's cameras, and suddenly your online events feel smoother and way more professional. Thanks to the NDI support, you can pull multiple video feeds straight into your local production setup, and everything becomes efficient, scalable, and super flexible. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.